Hello mga amigas and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today, magluluto tayo ng spicy sardines pasta. Isa sa mga subscribers natin nag-request ng recipe na to. So shout out dyan kay Constantine Narcelius, which is my very good friend. Sana ma-enjoy mo to. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about the ingredients from left to right. So first, we have the extra virgin olive oil. Well, pwede naman talagang hindi extra virgin. In fact, any olive oil should do. And of course, guys, hindi ito sponsored or whatever, but we use this. And 555 fried sardines in hot and spicy. Be careful though, kasi marami silang variety ng flavors, pero magkakamukha sila. Nabiktima ako before. So, please choose the one that says hot and spicy. So, we use 3 cans. And eto na po siya. Na-remove na natin yung excess ng mga kaliskis or yung mga tinik-tinik whatsoever para mas friendly siya kainin. Friendly talaga, especially sa kids. And then, eto rin yung sauce niya. Na-drain na rin natin siya para mas malinis. And then, we use 1 whole or 1 head ng garlic. So, if you notice, mahilig ako maglagay ng maraming garlic because apart from the fact na nag-a-add siya ng lasa, marami din siyang good health benefits. Ayun. And then, isang white onion. Ayan siya. Ayan po yung cut niya. Medyo malalaking dice. And then, 3 medium-sized na hinog na kamatis. And, green bell pepper. Isa siya, pero malaki. I usually use dalawa, pero since malaki siya, isa na lang ginamit ko. If you're gonna ask me kung pwedeng red, definitely yes. Pero I use green kasi mas nag-a-add siya ng color. And black ground pepper. And of course, ang ating cooked pasta, 500 grams po siya. Ayun. I-add din naman namin sa description yung ingredients, list of ingredients. But right now, let's go ahead and start cooking. Guys, nakita nyo naman ang ganda ng ating bagong pan. Ang bongga. Charm. Before we add the other ingredients, medyo palalambutin muna natin yung kamatis. Alright, so medyo malambot na yung kamatis natin. Let's go add the sardines. Sardines in. Huwag natin dulugin yung sardines, pero pwede naman natin siyang i-cut in half using your spatula or whatever you want to call it. As always, be generous with your pepper. Go ahead and add the sauce. Guys, the sardines itself, sobrang malasa na niya kasi may mga spices din siya. So, there's actually no need for us to add any seasoning, which is great. Other seasoning. Then, let's add the bell pepper. Alright, so after mga 1 to 2 minutes, if you notice na medyo luto na yung bell pepper, let's go ahead and add the pasta. Low fire lang siya dapat para hindi ma-overcook yung pasta and other ingredients. So, bago natin haluin, ilagay na natin yung ating olive oil. Be generous kasi ito yung magpapabango at mag-a-add ng lasa. Natin siya. Alright, so ayan na siya. Almost done. Guys, I know I mentioned earlier na hindi na siya kailangan ng other seasoning or like salt or additional pepper. But it's really completely up to you. Kung matatabangan kayo, just go ahead and have a taste and then add na lang po ng seasoning for your taste. And we are done. Alright, ayan na po mga amigas, ang ating spicy sardines pasta. So, kita nyo naman, ang bilis niyang gawin, ang daling hanapin ng mga ingredients, and I hope you guys would enjoy this. And oh, by the way, so if you guys noticed, we have our super pretty, oh my gosh. Alright, so, oh, by the way, if you noticed, meron tayong super pretty personalized chopping board. Kita nyo naman, we have our name on it. We purchased this from a friend. So if you guys are interested to buy one, ilalagay po namin sa description yung name ng friend ko para makapag-inquire kayo. Okay? See you next time, amigas! Enjoy!